Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things. Alright, whew, that's a lot of work so far, eh? Day number 6. So, 7 wreaths, 7 days, Hallow-week, and we are hitting day number 6. Don't forget about that bonus wreath coming up right at the end, right? So that's technically 8 wreaths in about 7 days. Alright, day number 6, welcome to Hallow-week. Let's get started. Day number 6. And we have our typical green wreath form from the Dollar Tree, a couple of feather boas from the Dollarama along with these ping pong googly eyes, and that's all I'm going to be using today. A really quick and easy wreath. All I'm going to do is place some hot glue down and the end of one of my feather boas, and then I'm just going to wrap that feather boa all the way around that wreath. And as you saw in the beginning, I do use 2 of these feather boas, and I just glue down the ends and the beginnings, and then I continue on wrapping the rest of that feather boa all the way around, and then gluing it right at the end. Look how many feathers are on here. It's crazy. I will admit there was a ton of feathers in my workroom as well when I was doing this. But there you go. Our wreath base is all created. And I'm going to take those ping pong eyeballs and I'm just going to glue 2 of them together. And I'm going to do about 3 sets of those just to start off. And then once they're all dry, I'm going to take them and I'm going to start gluing them onto the wreath form into the feathers. So I make sure that some of the feathers are surrounding it. And then I'm just going to start gluing those eyeballs down, creating our feather eyeball monster wreath. I love these little eyeballs. They came pre-painted. And occasionally I'm just going to add a single one down just to kind of fill in the space a little bit. And however many you add on is totally up to you. But here you go. My eyeball feather wreath is all completed. A nice, quick, easy wreath for Halloween. Boo. I love these eyeballs on the black feathers. They really, really pop. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you going to try to make one of these as well with our feathers and our eyeballs? Or maybe something different? Thank you so much for joining me on this segment of Hallow-week. Don't forget, we have a couple more episodes still to come. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did making it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.